Disabling two-factor authentication on PayPal can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon or Settings option, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security tab to view your security options, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Locate the two-factor authentication section and choose the option to turn it off. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered phone or email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure you save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your PayPal account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.